Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. This one is called The Wonder of Winter, and it's two kits that I've used, one from ARTYmaze and one from My Porch Prints. I will link both the kits below. The kit that I used from ARTYmaze is called A Winter's Tale, and the kit from My Porch Prints is called Winter Woodland. The journal measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/2. It has one signature and it has 68 pages front and back. It will be listed on my shop if you're interested. So like I said, two kits, they work really well together. I've done a little topper for the front of this. I've used this cardstock and then I went round it with some, I think it was Faded Jeans, which is distress ink from Tim Holtz. Kind of liked the kind of grey silvery white look because it kind of blends in with some of the tones of the pages, and also with, you know, the little hint of blue around the edges. There is an eyelet, there is string as eyelet and string as a closure. We've got some lace tabs and bead dangles, which are in blue tones again. And let's go inside. Thank you to everyone yesterday had said, you know, I hope your back gets better. I managed to get some painkillers from the doctor. So I did say it's going to take a while to heal, but I'll get there in the end. This is from My Porch Prints. Here is one of the pockets from that kit. Just making sure I'm in frame here. Yep, it's one of the pockets from the kit from My Porch Prints, and that journal comes in a traveller's notebook size only. The kit from ARTYmaze comes in a normal journal size, a traveller's notebook size, and the Altoid little tin size as well. So you've got lots of options there. So with this, I just printed it out, I backed it, then I've stitched it, so it's gave me the 3 pockets. This is from My Porch Prints. It's one of the pages, but I shrunk it down to make some tags. So you remember, you can do that with your kits. You don't have to use the pages as pages. You can trim the, you know, print them smaller scale and, you know, make tags and pockets and things with them. So this is ARTYmaze. This is My Porch Prints. I think it goes in here. There we go. 2 little tags from the kit as well. The images in both of these kits are just so nice. I like all the, you know, the woodland animals and things like that. Like I said, this is ARTYmaze, and it's got the little hairs there, and the I'm not sure if that's a deer or a stag. I thought stags had bigger antler type things, but I'm, like I say, I'm not 100% sure. This is the old design shop. This tag here, the image is from ARTYmaze, and that's a freebie. The tag is a freebie from ARTYmaze. You can find that on her website. So obviously I printed them off, I backed them, and then I just glued on the image. The images actually come in I think they come in 2 sizes actually. You get like 4 to 1 page and then 2 to 1 page. And what I did was, the one that had 4 to 1 page, I actually printed 2 to 1 page. So I got the smaller scale with that. I've done some stenciling with some of that Faded Jeans distress ink. The fabric tab and the bead dangle, the stenciling here. This is one of ARTYmaze's pages. My Porch Prints pockets. I done some white tags because I just felt like it needed some white in the journal, and then done some stenciling. This is also a freebie on ARTYmaze's website. I'm not sure if it's that way up. I think it's that way up. And again, that comes in a full A4 size, but I just printed 2 to 1 page. So it gave me obviously 2 to do some extra journaling on. Little tag there from My Porch Prints. This is a journal card from My Porch Prints, and isn't that lovely? Little kind of log cabin. It kind of looks like there's, you know, like what do you call them lights, like oil lights, and a fire going on in the background. That's what I think when I see it anyway. Stenciling, some more stenciling, another page from My Porch Prints. Here, this is an ARTYmaze page. I think I printed this off at I used the full journal size. I printed it off at 70%, I think. Then I used some of My Porch prints to make a pocket. It's actually a double pocket, and then just popped a tag in there, so that goes in there. Some more stenciling, another page here which I shrunk down from My Porch prints, some music paper that flips out. I've just put, you could glue that to make a permanent pocket. I've put some of ARTYmaze's tickets down there. This is just a little envelope. There's nothing in it, but it's from My Porch prints. And like I said, I will link both of them kits below. Here is another freebie tag from ARTYmaze, and then I just popped on that image again. I just got some crocheted trim on there. Another ARTYmaze page here, another little pocket, some stenciling, another tag. This is My Porch prints. I think that's My Porch prints as well. ARTYmaze, love that image. And more stenciling, fabric tab, and a bead dangle. This is My Porch prints. Here I just made a double pocket. This was just some of the leftovers from cutting off from some of the pages that I made, and then these little journal cards I just glued there and there to give 2 pockets. A tag stenciled. Don't want to go in. I can't blame my hand not getting around the tripod now because it's nowhere near me. There we go. It went in. It's just been a little bit fiddly. This is a freebie from ARTYmaze. This is a little double journal card from My Porch prints. That goes in there. Little tag. That can go in there. 2 little tickets from ARTYmaze. I've backed them onto cardstock so they're nice and thick. Yeah, see, that looked like a stag to me. Maybe it was just the other one just looked like a deer to me. Stenciling. Another one of these pockets using one of these journal cards. We've got 2 tickets with the owl, a little bird there. Here we've just got like a, don't know, if it kind of looks like a wolf. Here we've got a little hare on there. That's My Porch prints. This is ARTYmaze. Love the birdies. Another tag. I'm not going to take it out because they're all the same. Kind of struggling here with my back because I've stood up for a little bit. Yeah, that's the thing as well. I was told to, you know, carry on, try and do stuff. Don't do too much, but keep yourself active. Don't lay around too much because it kind of seizes up your muscles. And I'm like, oh, I can't win. Hurts when I don't do anything. It hurts when I do stuff. Another one of them pages. Little journal card from My Porch prints. And then a little journal card from ARTYmaze. Here we just have a flip. Could make that into a permanent pocket. Same here with the music paper. This is My Porch prints. Another one of these little tags. Again, the tag is a freebie and the little image is a freebie. I think that was actually genuine artwork that ARTYmaze had done on some like ephemera and things. And I thought that was a really nice freebie to have because it can go with anything. It doesn't have to go with winter journals. Another little envelope. There's nothing in it. Can pop something on the end there. Another pocket that I made. This is an ARTYmaze image. The pocket is made from paper from My Porch prints. It's a double pocket. Little tuck here, tag, journal card. There we go, there's a little fox there. And then here that little kind of log cabin again. Stenciling, little flip there. another tag here. All these little images, they're all different. They're all slightly different, and that's the freebie tag. I think you get on that 5 freebie tags. And then we've got little hare here in the woods. Really good image that is, because you can, it kind of looks like it's getting light there. And then another pocket from My Porch Prints, which is just, you know, line them all up, and I sewed all around. I did back them like I did the other one. This is one of the pages from My Porch Prints, and that's, again, I just shrunk that down to about 70%. Journal card from ARTYmaze with the hair on there. Little tag here from not Tsunami Rose, My Porch Prints, and 2 little tags. Aren't they pretty? And that is the back. So that is the journal. And like I said, I will link the kits below, so go over and take a peek. You know, we haven't, you know, it's been cold, it is winter, you know, and it's just, we haven't had, like I said, we haven't had any snow or anything yet. I think actually we did the other night, and it only laid for about half an hour, but it's still winter to me. That, you know, this is not a Christmas journal, it is winter. So there's still plenty of time to be playing around with winter journals. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thank you for watching. Bye.